Fourth sum, prove that cos phi theta equal to 16 cos power phi theta minus 20 cos cube theta plus 5 cos theta. Here first I want to take this cos phi theta. I want to split this phi theta as 3 theta plus 2 theta so that I can write the formula of cos of A plus B, isn't it? So I want to take this cos phi theta as cos 3 theta plus 2 theta. And then for this cos of A plus B, I want to write the formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And then again I want to substitute the identities. For cos 3 theta we have 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And then for cos 2 theta I have 2 cos square theta minus 1. For sin 3 theta we have 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. And then for sin 2 theta 2 sin theta cos theta. We are substituting 4 trigonometrical identities here. Okay, and then we want to remove the brackets. So if we want to remove the brackets, we have to multiply each and every factors here. So now I want to multiply this 2 cos square theta along with these two terms. So the first term can be written as 8 cos power phi theta minus 6 cos cube theta. And then I want to multiply with 1 here. So 1 into 4 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta, as it is we can write here. By minus 1 we are multiplying, so we have to change the symbol here. Here minus, here plus. And then the second one, here I have minus of this thing. So by 2 sin theta cos theta I have to multiply this term there. So how it will become now? This minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Sin into sin is sin square and cos theta. And then again I want to multiply this minus 2 sin theta cos theta along with this term. So it will become minus into minus will become plus. So 4 2s are 8 here. Sin cube into sin theta is sin power 4 theta into this cos theta is here. And then we want to simplify now. So in this I want to simplify. Here minus cos cube theta minus 4 cos cube theta can be written as minus 10 cos cube theta, and then keep the other things as it is. And here the sin square can be written in terms of 1 minus cos square, and even this sin power 4 can be written as sin square theta the whole square. That sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta the whole square into this cos theta. And then again I want to multiply everything there, then remove the brackets there. So the remaining things are 8 cos power phi theta minus 10 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta. Here just multiply there minus 6 cos theta, and then here plus it will become as this minus into this term is plus cos cube theta along with this cos theta, it becomes cos cube theta here. And then we want to remove this brackets here. So we want to multiply along with this 8 cos theta with 1 is 8 cos here, and before that we have a minus b the whole square is there. So just you have to expand this one. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2 cos square theta into cos theta is there. Then we have to remove the bracket there. Now I want to multiply along with this 8 cos theta with this bracket. So it will become 8 cos theta plus 8 cos power phi theta minus 16 cos cube theta. And then again we can simplify this thing. We want to group these two. So and one more thing here also I have there. So group these three. It will become minus 20 cos cube theta. And cos power phi here one term is there, and here cos power phi terms are there. So 16 cos power phi theta minus 20 cos cube theta is there, and then remaining thing we have that minus 3 and plus 8. So it become plus 5 cos theta. So which is the required answer? Fifth problem. Prove that sin 4 alpha equal to 4 tan alpha into 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha the whole square. Here I want to take the left hand side, that means sin 4 alpha. That sin 4 alpha can be written as sin of 2 into 2 alpha. That 4 alpha can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, so I want to write this as sin 2 into 2 alpha. So it is in the form of sin 2a. Sin 2a, we have the trigonometrical identity 2 sin a cos a. In the place of a, here I have 2a. So I want to substitute 2 sin a into cos a. In the place of a, we have 2 alpha. So I will have to substitute 2 into sin 2 alpha into cos 2 alpha. And then 2 into, for this sin 2 alpha in terms of tan, because the answer is in terms of tan only. So I want to substitute the identity in terms of tan. So for sin 2 alpha, we have the trigonometrical identity 2 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. Likewise, for this cos 2 alpha also we have 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, and then I can multiply this 2 and 2 as 4. So it will become 4 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha into, keep the second term as it is there. So the denominator we have 1 plus tan square alpha 2 times. So we can write this as 1 plus tan square alpha the whole square. That numerator keep as it is, so that we got the answer what we required here. Okay, next problem, sixth problem. A plus b equal to 45 degree. Show that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Here it is given a plus b equal to a plus b equal to 45 degree. Show that 1 plus tan a plus 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Here I want to take this a plus b equal to 45 degree. From this I can take b equal to 45 degree minus a. So what is the left hand side, what we have to prove there? 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. So here I want to take this bracket, first bracket as it is. For the second bracket, instead of b I want to substitute 45 degree minus a. So that I have the formula here, tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. We have to substitute this a as 45 degree and b as a. So that I have tan 45 degree minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan a. The value of tan 45 degree is 1. So in this bracket we have 1 plus 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. And then here I want to take the that LCM in the bracket there. So it will become as, if we take the LCM here, 1 plus tan a. In the numerator also here, instead of this one, it will cross multiplication will get 1 plus tan a plus 1 minus tan a here. So that here the plus symbol will be there. Here put plus here. So I can cancel this tan a plus tan a and minus tan a here. There and 1 will be get cancelled there. The remaining here 1 plus tan a and 1 plus tan a will goes off there. Here plus symbol is there, so that this 1 plus 1 we have 2 there. This 1 plus tan a and 1 plus tan a will be goes off. So the remaining we got the 2 as the answer here. Seventh problem. Prove that tan 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 3 degree etc. into 1 plus tan 44 degree is a multiple of 4. Here left hand side it's given this 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 3 degree, it goes on till 1 plus tan 44 degree. Here I want to group that thing, first and last term. Okay, the first term is 1 plus tan 1 degree and the last term is 1 plus tan 44 degree. So just I want to group that thing like this. And 1 plus tan 2 degree and 1 plus tan 43 degree and then 1 plus tan 3 degree into 1 plus tan 42 degree. Okay, so likewise if you got like this, each pair the value is 2. By the previous problem I have that value is 2. So each pair I can substitute the values. How many times I will substitute there? Here till 44 is there. So half of the thing is 22 times. So I want to put this 2 as 22 times. So the answer will be 2 power 22. The 22 can be written as 2 power 2 into 11. So 2 into 11, 2 square can be written as 4 and 4 power 11. So 4 power 11 is 4 into etc. till 11 times. So we can easily say this is the multiple of 4 now. Okay.